It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Hey there YouTube folks, my name's Rick Antonio and I'm here to show off my 1929 Ford Model A 5-window coupe on the Scotty Kilmer channel. Ford's Model A production ran from 1927 to 1931 and sold almost 5 million units in various body styles from coupe, convertible, town car, and so on. The original Henry steel body of this 29 has been chopped 4 inches and the firewall sectioned and recessed 7.5 inches for motor clearance. The entire body and frame has been trenched in Hugger orange paint and finished with a custom hand-laid flame job. Suspension and braking include a forged I-beam split wishbone with QA1 shocks up front, a tubular 4-link with QA1 adjustable coilovers out back, and front disc brake conversion using rotors and calipers from a GM A-body. While not my first choice when it comes to looks, the staggered 14 and 15-inch weld drag-light wheels were chosen due to their low cost and the fact that they're drilled to both GM and Ford lug patterns. The interior is rather low on amenities, but it does have fully functional Stewart Warner gauges, a GM tilt steering column, a leather-wrapped bomber bench seat, custom door panels with molded flames, a color-matched B&M shifter, and a hand crank wiper blade. The original L-head 4-banger is long gone and has been replaced with a pro-built Mark IV big block Chevy that's been bored, stroked, and decked down to 481 cubic inches. It's topped off with a Hawaiian 2x4 tunnel ram intake manifold and fed by a pair of 600 CFM Holley 4-barrel carbs. All backed by a built turbo 350 transmission, 2800 stall converter, and a Ford 9-inch rear end with 389 gears and a track lock limited slip diff. Okay, I'm just going to shut up for a bit so you can hear what she sounds like. Now, what I love most about this car is that it turns more heads than any other vehicle I've ever driven. Whether I'm blasting down the road at full throttle, or just sitting at a stoplight blowing flames out the pipes. Hope you all enjoyed this little video. To see more videos on this car as well as some of my other crazy vehicles, be sure to check out and subscribe to my YouTube channel, 98 Snake Eater. And if you're in need of some repair work, feel free to stop by my shop, Regency Paint and Body in South Orlando, just 3 miles east of SeaWorld. Scotty, thanks for all you've done, and keep up the good work, my man.
Well, that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!